Arash Sadeghi, a students' rights activist and human rights activist that he worked about human rights violation in prisons, execution and numerous tortures by the government of the Islamic Republic. At 8th of June 2016, he convicted to 18 years in prisons only with one court and transferred him to Evin prison's chambers. After that, his wife, Golrukh Aryai, was sentenced to 8 years to prison and taken her to Evin prison too. But Arash, his husband, didn't know about his wife. Then he went on hunger strike for this matter and rights of prisoners' violations. Now, he is on hunger strike for 69 days over, and according to that and his physical condition, he is close to death. No other policy debates, discussions humanity. He needs us, not only to support with the Iranian people, also with the people of another countries. He needs to be globalization so that help him to release from prison. We had many people like him, Neda, Sattar, and so on, but all of them died. I ask everyone, even those who are not political, even those who are not from Iran, that these clips or photo of him or of his wife with the hashtag Arashfiri to broadcast, that all people know him, so we can help him and his wife to get rid of the dangerous situation. The argument here is not politics or nationality. Humanity is discussed. Please join us.